Alright, beautiful people, I hope everyone is having a wonderful weekend. It's summer, it's starting summer in Australia. Welcome back, everybody. It's your humble and gracious host, Hima. Today in this video, we are gonna talk about Bitcoin, whether it's the right time to buy some Bitcoin now that it's going down or going down. What I think what you should do in the coming days. So without further ado, let's jump into the charts and find out what's going on. Alright, so now we are looking at Bitcoin at $46,000. Now I remember making videos in November and in October saying that Bitcoin will go down, and it did. So I'm correct on that. Most people actually laughed at me saying, "Oh, you're crazy. It's gonna go around $1,000." Well, it didn't. Look, here's what I think. So look who's having the final laugh, and look, we're at $46,000 at the moment. I'm still not gonna buy Bitcoin. I'm not gonna put money because it's like buying into Bitcoin right now would be like catching a falling knife. You don't really want to do that. What you want to do is be patient and wait till we find a bottom. So I'm on the monthly chart. Let me go into weekly chart. All right, and then the daily charts. Okay, so if we are at a bottom, I don't think this is the bottom. If we are at a bottom, I want to actually see we accumulate in this $46,000 area for at least a good month. So if we can see at least a good month that Bitcoin is in this 40,000 range, then I would put some money in, but of course with a stop loss. I would not be putting in large amount of money. Of course I would increase my holdings. I already have Bitcoin that I got in beginning of 2020. Right now I'm just not looking to buy in. I want to see how this pans out, and of course we are seeing American SEC, which is also known as the Feds. They're thinking of increasing interest rates next year due to higher inflation. I do not know how that will affect Bitcoin, but it will definitely affect the stock market. But yeah, so I would not be buying it. Like I told you, it's all about having some patience and waiting to see where this is going. Looks like it's gonna come down even further. I'm still really hopeful about that $20,000 to $30,000 mark. We're still about 20k above from it, and I think more downward action will come. If not, I want to see this accumulate for like a good month or two, and then I'll know for sure, okay, we have found a bottom. Until then, I'm not gonna buy it. Of course, it's my personal opinion. Everyone is entitled to their own personal opinions. And of course, I don't want to come here and say I know it's going down for sure 100%. No one knows what's gonna happen in the future. But look, it's overall a good idea to have some Bitcoin because the dollar is losing its value as we speak. But at the same time, you don't want to be catching a falling knife. You want to buy some Bitcoin when it's in a really good range to be bought. All right, I honestly think that 20 to 30k range is a fair value for Bitcoin. But right now, I would just personally wait and see how this goes. So I want you guys to be patient and make smart decisions with your money. All right, if you had lost money in this recent crash, I'm pretty sure most people did. That's all right. There are failures. You have to learn from them. You don't have to shy away from your failures. These things happen, but moving forward, you want to make smart decisions. So I hope I was helpful in this video. It's not technically like a video where I tell you where to buy in. It's just like a rant. I want everyone to be safe because when I was talking about this is gonna crash, no one believed me. So I think you have to be patient and see where this go. I would wait for like a month, and if I see that this is actually gonna hold on in this level for like at least a month or two, then I know we have found the bottom. Until then, I would not be buying in. I would see where this is going. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, happy trading.